Ever pondered about the future of finance? How it might evolve in a world where technology and innovation never cease to amaze? We're standing on the precipice of a new era, where the boundaries between finance and technology are blurring. The finance landscape is being reshaped by digital currencies, artificial intelligence, and blockchain, creating a whole new world of possibilities. As we look to the horizon, we see a future teeming with innovation. Stay tuned as we delve into the top trends in finance for 2024. Imagine a world where you can access financial services at a click, anytime, anywhere. Well, there's no need to imagine anymore because that world is here, and it's been brought to us by the digital revolution. Technology, with its relentless pace, has been reshaping the financial landscape, making finance more accessible and convenient. Digital banking and financial services are no longer a novelty, but a norm. The days of standing in long queues for basic banking services are now a thing of the past. Today, you can check your balance, make transactions, apply for loans, and even invest in stocks, all from the comfort of your home or while you're on the move. Digital finance is not just about convenience, it's also about inclusivity. It's about reaching the unbanked, the underbanked, and those who've been left behind by the traditional banking system. It's about giving them the tools to manage their finances, to save, to invest, and to grow. This digital revolution has spurred a surge in fintech startups. These disruptors are challenging the status quo, bringing innovative solutions to the table, and forcing traditional financial institutions to evolve. From mobile wallets to peer-to-peer lending platforms, from robo-advisors to insurtech, fintech has been pushing boundaries and expanding horizons. And then there's the explosive adoption of cryptocurrencies. Once viewed with skepticism, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have now become mainstream. They're not just speculative assets anymore, but mediums of exchange, stores of value, and the building blocks of a new financial ecosystem. The rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, is testament to this. But the digital revolution is not just about the tools and technologies, it's also about the mindset. It's about embracing change, about being open to new possibilities, and about seeing finance not as a barrier, but as a bridge. The digital revolution is not a future possibility, it's a current reality. And as we look to the future, one thing is clear: the digital revolution in finance is just getting started. What if your investments could make a difference, not just for you, but for the planet? As we step into the future of finance, the color of money is shifting from traditional gold to a vibrant shade of green. Sustainable investing is no longer a niche market. It's a trend that's here to stay, and it's shaping the future of finance. The concept revolves around investing in companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance factors, commonly known as ESG. For instance, environmentally conscious companies focus on reducing their carbon footprint, while socially responsible ones ensure fair labor practices. Governance factors, on the other hand, concern how a corporation is run, including its board diversity and corporate ethics. As we delve deeper into the green finance trend, we can't overlook the rising popularity of green bonds. These are bonds issued by governments and corporations to fund projects with environmental benefits, like renewable energy or clean transport. In the last few years, the green bond market has grown exponentially, attracting investors who want to put their money where their values are. But why this surge in green finance? Well, it's a win-win situation. Investors get a return on their investment and the satisfaction of contributing to a greener planet. Companies, on the other hand, gain capital to fund eco-friendly projects and improve their public image. Moreover, the finance sector plays a critical role in combating climate change. By directing funds towards sustainable businesses and projects, it's helping to reduce global carbon emissions. This is not just about doing the right thing, it's about ensuring the long-term survival of our planet and our economies. The shift towards green finance is not a fad. It's a movement driven by increased awareness about the environmental crisis and the power of money to affect change. As more and more investors demand sustainable options, financial institutions are stepping up to meet this demand. The bottom line, the future of finance is green. It's about investing not just for financial returns, but for a better, more sustainable world. When it comes to finance, green is the new gold. Can you imagine a financial advisor who never sleeps, never errs, and always stays informed? Well, this isn't a far-fetched dream anymore. Welcome to the new normal in finance, where artificial intelligence, or AI, and big data reign supreme. Let's talk about AI first. In the financial world, AI is like a tireless workhorse. It's not just about the cool sci-fi stuff we see in movies. No, it's about practical applications that are changing the way we manage finances. Take robo-advisors, for instance. These digital platforms provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. They're efficient, precise, and they're available round the clock. Then there's algorithmic trading. It's like having a Wall Street whiz kid working for you, but without the expensive suits and the lunch breaks. Algorithmic trading uses complex AI systems to make lightning-fast decisions, based on a multitude of factors like market trends, historical data, and economic indicators. It's all about speed and precision, enabling traders to seize opportunities that would be impossible for a human to identify in real time. But what fuels these AI systems? That's where big data comes in. In today's interconnected world, we're generating a mind-boggling amount of data every second. And within this data, there are patterns, trends, and insights that can guide financial decisions. Big data analytics is like panning for gold in a digital river. It's about sifting through the noise to find those valuable nuggets of information that can make the difference between profit and loss. So the new normal in finance is not about abandoning traditional financial wisdom. Rather, it's about augmenting it with AI and big data. It's about making financial systems smarter, faster, and more reliable. It's about empowering individuals and businesses to make better financial decisions. AI and big data are not just buzzwords, they're the building blocks of modern finance. They're the tools that are shaping the financial landscape, and they're here to stay. Welcome to the future of finance. What if your job didn't tie you to a desk, but to your passions and skills? Sounds liberating, right? Welcome to the gig economy, a labor market characterized by freelance, flexible jobs rather than traditional 9-to-5 employment. This shift in work dynamics isn't just altering the way we work, it's also transforming the world of finance. As the gig economy grows, financial institutions are adapting and evolving to meet the unique needs of freelancers and digital nomads. These are individuals who are not tied to a single employer and often work on multiple projects for various clients. They need financial products and services that are as flexible and adaptive as they are. Traditional banks and financial institutions are being nudged to innovate. They're developing new financial products aimed at providing security and stability for those in the gig economy. These include flexible savings accounts, tailored insurance products, and even customized retirement plans. On the other hand, fintech startups are also stepping up, offering digital-first financial services that cater to the needs of freelancers. From seamless international transactions to swift invoice processing and easy-to-access loans, these platforms are ensuring that those who choose the freelance life aren't financially disadvantaged. In essence, the gig economy is prompting an exciting era of financial innovation. It's a world where financial services are being reimagined to meet the needs of an ever-changing workforce. The gig economy is reshaping not just work, but also finance. Finance, as we know it, is changing, and it's changing faster than we ever imagined. In the last few minutes, we've journeyed through the exciting developments that are redefining the landscape of finance. From the digital revolution to the greening of finance, from the new normal to the burgeoning gig economy, these aren't mere trends. They are seismic shifts, reshaping the world of finance. The digital revolution is not a tale of the future. It's a story unfolding right now. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are not only transforming how we transact, but also how we trust. They are creating a world where finance is no longer constrained by borders or banking hours. The greening of finance is showing us that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. The rise of ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing is testament to this. Investors are no longer just looking for returns, they're looking for responsibility. The new normal in finance is a world where data is the new oil. Fintech companies are leveraging big data and AI to provide personalized services, revolutionizing the way we save, invest, and borrow. And let's not forget the gig economy. The rise of freelancers and digital nomads is changing the way we think about income and financial planning. The gig economy is demanding more flexible financial products and services, and the industry is responding. But what does all this mean for the future of finance? It means a future where technology and innovation are at the helm, a future where finance is more inclusive, more sustainable, and more responsive to the changing needs of society. It's a future that may seem daunting, but it's also exciting. It's a future that promises to break down barriers, democratize access, and foster financial well-being for all. In the future of finance, the only constant is change, so are you ready to embrace it?